Hi, and welcome to Adalysis. Think of us as your PPC co-pilot, a virtual assistant that audits, monitors, and optimizes your Google Ads and Microsoft Ads accounts. It's like having an extra team member that handles data analysis and alerts you to critical issues that need your attention. In this video, we're going to focus on PPC audits. Adalysis scans your account every day looking for things that need to get done. It will then prioritize these alerts into critical alerts, errors, structure, and performance issues. You have custom alerts. You can always build your own, and you can even automate actions based upon the alerts. So many Adalysis customers find this overview alone is a massive time savings compared to manual audits, team meetings, crunching spreadsheets, and so forth. And then we can sort by any column to see what account needs the most help. And then we want to work on an account, we can just click on an alert to go into the account's details. Now, once we go into an account, we can see our audit score, we can get an audit report. Our agency customers find this is great to use in the sales process. We can see our audit score history and a log of our automated actions. Then we have our to-do list. We can see our to-do list by goal or by type. So then we can look through what all the various alerts are, and then we can open one to work on it. Now, with every alert, you can easily automate actions, change your settings, or even snooze them. Now, while every alert's a little bit different depending on that alert type, they all have some commonalities. You'll see the alert and the refresh date. You can always snooze or disable an alert. You can get help, but help's always a click away. And then you'll see the most common actions associated with an alert. So we can click on one item, or we could bulk select, take a common action, and then move on. And so beyond just looking at the alerts from your dashboard, you can also go into your alert settings to see even more details about the alerts. Now, within our audit settings, we can easily toggle on or off any alert. We can see if we have automated actions, we can customize them, and so forth. And so by going into any section, you can really see what's happening and edit the alerts to make sure they're really focused on what you need to accomplish. Now, in addition, you can always build your own alerts. So for instance, let's say you have a large brand and you want to make sure that your brand ad group impression share is at least 75%. So we could say we want to look at this daily over the last 30 days for active ad groups, and we want to make sure that our impression share is more than 75%. And then we could add another one that says our ad group label is brand. And then we look at those brand ad groups, and if one is below 75%, you'd get an alert. Now, in addition, you could just automate something. We could say, well, if this happens, you increase my bid by 10%. So by using the custom alerts, you can always make sure anything actionable you need to focus on is always brought top of mind to you, so you're not hunting for it and crunching spreadsheets. So by looking at your audit alerts and customize them for your account, you'll have an efficient workflow to make sure your paid search account is being properly managed. Now, if you'd like to test drive the Adalysis audit feature, click on the video description. We'd love to offer you a free audit report for your account, as well as a free Adalysis trial. And this is just the start of what Adalysis has to offer. If you'd like to find out more, check out our videos about budget and performance monitoring, or head to our website. And please get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.